For 18 years, she never saw a sunrise. Not because the sun wasn't there, but because she could not look up. For 18 years, she saw dust, feet, shadows, the ground. That became her world. And isn't that what bondage does? Whatever bends us long enough eventually becomes the only world we think exists. Fear, shame, bitterness, addiction, grief, disappointment. They don't just weigh us down. They slowly convince us that this is simply who we are. But then Jesus saw her. Something beautiful. She never asked to be healed. She never cried out. She never interrupted his teaching. Jesus noticed what everyone else had learned to walk past. He called her forward. He placed his hands on her. And in an instant, the woman who had spent 18 years looking at the ground looked up toward heaven. The religious leaders wanted her to wait. Come back another day. But Jesus used a powerful word, Ede. It was necessary. Necessary. Not convenient, not optional, necessary. Love refused to postpone freedom. Maybe that's the lesson that Luke wants us to see. Jesus doesn't keep freedom on a waiting list. He isn't looking for the perfect day to restore what has been bent for years. When his kingdom arrives, today becomes the day of freedom. Maybe you've been carrying something for years, so long that you've stopped believing you can ever stand up straight again. This story is your reminder. Whatever has bent you does not have the final word. Because when Jesus calls your name, the first thing he restores is your ability to look up